Hi, today in this video we are going to discuss one of the cross coupling reactions, which is the Suzuki coupling reaction. In this video we are going to discuss the Suzuki coupling reaction, mechanism and solve some of the examples. Let's start. Suzuki coupling reaction. Here alkyl halide is reacting with a boronic acid, which is catalyzed by palladium 0 complex, forming this complex. Here the X, which may be a good leaving group, it may be iodine, bromine, OTF or chlorine. You see, this is one of the cross coupling reaction where the coupling partners are, this is a boronic acid complex, it is catalyzed by palladium 0 complex, it's reacting with a organohalide. This is the mechanism of Suzuki coupling. Here the palladium has 4 ligands and it is eliminating 2 ligands, forming this palladium 0 complex. The next step is the oxidative addition. This is organohalide, it is added with the palladium 0 complex, forming this complex. Here the oxidative addition happens in the trans position, you see. Next, in presence of base, transmetallation happens. In the transmetallation, the boronic acid is eliminated and this OR group is eliminated, forming this complex. This is the intermediate. Then it undergoes cis-trans isomerism. You see, these ligands are in trans position, is converted into cis position. And the final step is the reductive elimination. The reductive elimination, the ligands are eliminated and the palladium is regenerated, forming this product. Thus the mechanism is explained in Suzuki coupling. Let us solve some examples. This is organohalide and this is boronic acid complex. We are reacting with palladium 0 complex in presence of base. This product is obtained. This example is taken from the Jacks paper. First, the oxidative addition happens. In the oxidative addition, the palladium is added with a trans position, the ligands are there and the leaving group is added here and the organo group is added here, which is in trans. Next step is the transmetallation. The transmetallation, this group is added here, the boronic acid group, this one, and the leaving group here is eliminated. Then forming this complex, then it undergoes cis-trans isomerization. These two ligands come under cis and these two compounds also come under cis position. After that, reductive elimination happens. These two ligands eliminate and these two will couple and palladium is regenerated. You see, this is an organohalide and this is boronic acid compound. We are reacting with palladium 0 complex, which is a catalyst. In presence of base, the following product is obtained. The mechanism is, the first step is the oxidative addition. Oxidative addition. After this step, in the oxidative addition, the organohalide complex is added here. You see, this Cl, which is X, is added here and this Rl group is added here in the trans position. The next step is the transmetallation. The transmetallation, the Cl and the boronic complex, this one is eliminated and forming this one, this complex. This boronic acid is eliminated here and it is attached here and this Cl minus is also removed. After this, the cis-trans isomerization happens. The cis-trans isomerization, these two ligands are come under cis position, and these two compounds will come under the cis position. After that, reductive elimination happens. Reductive elimination. In the reductive elimination, these two ligands are removed and palladium is regenerated, and these two compounds are coupled together. This is also a paper taken from JACS. Here the DBA means dibenzylidene acetone. This is a previous year question. Here you see this is a organohalide and this is boronic acid. They have given palladium 0 complex in presence of a base. What is the product? It's simple. Just we have to remove this boronic acid and bromine with bond, then you attack here. The following product is obtained. See, you attack here, this product will be obtained, and this is the product A. Very simple coupling reaction. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned until the next video. Like, share and subscribe this channel.